Hello everyone, this is Arlene Mendez. Today I'm going to show you how to make a stir fry composed of shrimp and cauliflower. So first we have to heat the oil. I have 2 tablespoons of oil in here. So we'll just let it stay there for 30 seconds. I have the ingredients here, and we have the garlic, 4 cloves of garlic, and I just crushed it. Green onion, I have that also chopped, and the shrimp, cauliflower, sweet pepper, soy sauce, sesame oil, and rice vinegar. So let's start with the garlic. So we're just going to put it here for 30 seconds. So let it heat a bit, and then we are going to add the cauliflower. I usually add the cauliflower first because it's harder than the other veggies that we have. So we're going to let it stay here for 2 minutes, and then we will add the sweet pepper. This smells good already because of the garlic. So now you can also add the green onion. I like putting the green onion in my stir fry. So just keep stirring it. It really smells good. So now we are going to add the sweet pepper. Some people, they like red pepper, but I also like other different colors, so I'm adding yellow and orange. And then let's stir it again. At least for 1 minute. We're not trying to overcook the veggies here, because these veggies you can also eat raw. We have the shrimp. For those people who like adding a shrimp or meat, you can also add it in our stir fry. But just the veggie itself is already good. So this time I only added cauliflower and sweet pepper for the veggies. I also have the shrimp cooked already, so at least it's easier. But if your shrimp is not cooked, you can add another 3 minutes on top of the 2 minutes that you're stirring it. We are going to add now the soy sauce. I have 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. For those people who wants to cut back from sodium, you can also just add 1 tablespoon soy sauce instead of 2. But of course, if 2 tablespoons is not enough, you can add a bit more. It depends really on what your taste bud is. So this is how it looks like right now. This is very simple. Anybody like a student can also do this without having too much fuss, because it takes only less than 30 minutes, including the cutting of the veggies you have. And we're now adding the sesame oil. And the last one is the rice vinegar we have. So you just again stir it. And if you want your cauliflower a bit softer, you can add another minute to make it softer. But since I don't like it that way, I am going to turn it off, because for me it's already done. And this is the outcome of today's cooking. So hopefully you enjoy our video, and I will see you again next week. Have a good day, everyone.